Hi, here is the demonstration. I have added 3 employees for this demonstration purpose. The first employee 1111 has a grade of G and is active employee, and allowance is provided for this employee. For the first employee, since the grade is G, allowance is provided, request will not be taken. And for the next employee 2222, grade is high and the employee is not provided with allowances, so it's permitted to request. And the employee 33333 has a is grade I and has an allowance provided. In this case, an email will be sent to the HR providing details, and employee will not be request will not be considered. So these are the 3 employees that I added for the demonstration purpose. Now I am launching the request form. I am entering 1111, and these are not applicable for this employee because the employee grade is G. When I click on next, so it gives a message, cancel the vehicle allowance to raise the vehicle request. Okay, that's done. Now when the another employee 222 opens the same application and enters this, and this particular employee is a grade I and do not have allowance, so it means the employee should get a request. So he's not, even though he's driving a demo car, it should accept, or if not, it should accept. Now I'll click on next. The request form comes. So I'll just say some values and select the vehicle and click on submit. Now request is submitted. Now I should get an email on that particular request, because I am the HR. I have added as the HR as my own email ID. You can see this one, HR approval email ID is my own email ID. Dispatch is also my own email ID, and the employee email ID I just entered. Now we don't need any first level approval. Now we can see this one, the employee to the HR, this has been raised. Now this is for my own copy, vehicle request, your request is submitted, request ID is generated. This is one, and now let us go to the second one. Now let us close this one, first one, as a HR. The code is generated here. Now I'll go to the admin tool of HR admin tool, and admin tool for the HR. Then I will enter. Okay, this is not admin tool is not what is required for us. It's an approval form. I'll open up the approval form and enter the code that is given in this email ID. This is the code, and click on next. It will list out what is the request sent. Now this is sent, and you can enter, HR can enter the remarks and approve. Now request is approved. Now it will go to the dispatch, and moreover it has to come to the email, has to be triggered to the dispatch stating that a vehicle request has come. Now let us go to the dispatch tool, and now there is a password for dispatch, user ID and password to log in. Now after login, approval requested. So this is the list that is sent now for this employee ID 2222. So on click of any of these cells, it will going to open up this form. Send email to employee to collect the vehicle. So once this is clicked, an email is sent to the employee to collect the vehicle. Now I am clicking on it. So an email will be sent to the employee to collect the vehicle. Now it comes to the dispatch cars. So now in this tab, the vehicle is ready for dispatch and employee comes to collect and it is issued to the employee. In this place, we enter the VIN number and registration number of vehicle that has been issued. Click on vehicle dispatched. So now this email is sent to the employee also, stating that your vehicle has been dispatched. Case against is ready for dispatch is the one. After that, it says your vehicle is dispatched. So this is for the sent to employee. A dispatch department, it sends an email that this is request has been approved by HR and to be delivered. So this is the email chain sequence for the approval and dispatch. Now let us come back to the, I'll close this one and come back to the request form. Okay, it's already open. I'll go to the request form. I'll enter the employee 2222. Click on next. You already, okay, yes, because this employee we just now processed and he possesses the vehicle, so it gives that it's already available. Now let's go to the 3333. The grade is high and this employee is not 3333 is allowance is provided, but he is not getting any demo vehicle is not run. So now let us select if he is having a demo vehicle and getting a allowance, then it will not auto rejected, not eligible for vehicle request provided with vehicle allowance. Okay, now this employee is not allowed to raise a request, but internally the system will generate an email to the HR. This is to bring to your notice that employee is driving it and also provided with the vehicle allowance. This is the employee details. So this is the complete sequence of events that happens. So if you further have any issues, please let me know.